Hey, Michigan Ria, Wendy Patton here. Just wanting to let you know what's coming up in May for our topics. We have a special guest, a good friend of mine who's been a friend for probably 15, 20 years now, is Donna Bauer. Donna is the original note buyer, and she's gonna be talking about notes and mortgages. Okay, so hold tight for a second. I know you're probably thinking that doesn't even sound interesting. I mean, notes and mortgages themselves don't sound very sexy, but let me tell you why they are and why you're gonna wanna be there. First of all, almost every deal that you do, unless you pay cash, has a note and a mortgage on it. Whether it be a private note, a hard money note, or a traditional note, right, with a lender or a mortgage company, there's a note and mortgage. Well, sometimes those mortgages go bad, which we would call non-performing notes, and the lenders want to get out of it. Instead of performing or going through a foreclosure process for the borrower, they want to sell that non-performing note. We have an opportunity to do that as real estate investors and then either end up owning the property or making a huge spread on that deal. Okay, so without even owning the real estate itself, you can invest in real estate through notes and mortgages. Then there's also this thing called performing notes, right? Where someone's paying perfectly, maybe on a land contract or through a traditional institution, and they're paying perfectly, but the institution wants to get the cash, pull cash back in, or that person that gave the land contract or gave a mortgage to someone wants to get their cash out earlier and they're willing to take a discount. It makes for huge returns for us as real estate investors. So you're not going to want to miss this. This particularly is kind of near and dear to my heart right now, as I've been doing a lot of hard money lending lately. And I think that buying notes and mortgages would be a very, very interesting topic for me at this point. Now, you might say, well, do you have to have money? No, you don't have to have money. You can actually partner with other people. You can borrow money to get involved in notes and mortgages, just like any other real estate investing technique. So you're not going to want to miss it. Make sure you get signed up. I personally will be there on Thursday night and introduce my good friend Donna. So see you next week. Make sure you get signed up. You're not going to want to miss this.